Oh my god. It's so foggy. I can't see myself. It's so cold. There's the sun. It's so cold, the lenses, my lens is fogged. I have to let the camera acclimatise. G'day, welcome back to the channel and thank you for joining me. I am in the middle of nowhere and I've been here for about a week. But that's not where I'm going to start this story. Well, it kind of is, but we're going to jump back to the beginning of the story and cover my little holiday out here in the bush. There's an Aussie flying around. An Aussie fly flying around. Yes. It's actually been really good for the insects, considering, but it has been bloody freezing. Anyway, let's have a little look at this FPV camping trip. Tried to cover a few things I thought were important or interesting, and a couple of the animals I saw. Yes, there were roos. Quite close, actually. I think I camped on their highway through the area, sort of thing. And anyway, it was cool. I didn't manage to get the close encounter with this camera, but I did get some good shots out there. But let's get into it. Well, g'day, here we are at camp. Got in a little late last night, pardon the sunnies, the sun's right behind the camera. Got in a little late last night and had to just sort of pop it up. Not last night, more just as the sun was going down. Oh my god, okay, so it's been a long time since I've done this and a few things need to be fixed and improved. One, that trailer. The lights didn't work. For some reason the power cable up to the tent didn't work. Had to use my backup. The bike's not working. The laptop won't charge one of its batteries. I, like a dumbass, forgot to put it in to lock my hubs and got bogged and had to winch out, which was fine, but you know, pretty dumb to do that. The handles come off my burner. Let's just say, I got into the tent as well and I forgot the water and I forgot tissues and I forgot, you know, like goddamn amateur hour around here. Anyway, it's good to get back out here and have a bit of a practice at, you know, what I used to do all the freaking time. Can't believe I've made so many little mistakes. Oh, cooked the truck. Freaking boiled over the radiator. Never had that happen before with her. New radiator in it, so I'm going to have to see the mechanic about that one. But anyway, here I am on this beautiful field. Let's have a look. As you can see. Over here, there's this fantastic field. And it goes on behind there and whatnot. Over there is someone else's land beyond the line of things. But all of that is the club's. So yeah, lots of fun. I'll try to show you where I got bogged and whatnot, but I'm going to wait for it to, it's bloody freezing, alright? I'm going to wait for it to dry off a little bit, so I don't have to get wet shoes walking anywhere, and then go for a flight. I actually might go for a flight from here. Could do that anyway, why not? Let's get the 3-inch out. So one of the things you're going to need to do when you're out here in the bush and it's bloody cold is acclimatise your gear. One little downside of this nice fluffy kind of insulated case is that it takes longer to acclimatise it, and you don't really want to put these sort of in the direct sun, you know, just in case there's a reflection, say off a, let me just turn the camera, metal panel into the lens, which will kill your LEDs. So, just going to leave it there in that to warm up a little bit, because the sun's rapidly warming everything up and it'll get quite warm when it operates, but it has been below 5 degrees here, so just got to let it get through. I'm going to take the 3-inch for a spin. Got 4 batteries lined up for that. And I think I might try 2 of them with these bad boys. Go patch happy. So yeah, anyway, let that warm up and we'll get to it. Rightio, let's go for a flight. always get a little nervous when flying over a new spot. So check it out. Something reflective down there. I think there's a dam. Bit of a breeze up. It's so quiet, you see. There are quieter ones as well. Whoa, bit of battery sag. I've only got 650s on it. So, yes. Woohoo! You just saw those at the last minute. Alright, this battery's getting a little low. Don't know if it's just going to drop off on me or what. There's a few things to drive with the truck too. I reckon this would make a nice little challenge. Brought the gatekeeper with me. Whoa, oh, I'm jammed. All right, walk of shame. Back in a moment. It's such a cold day today. Don't know if I have to worry about the stuff overheating, but oh look, I can finally see that place. It's still there. Someone lives just over there. I won't disturb them. Oop. Forgot where the camera was. So I'll probably just do the larger quad, the 5-inch anyway, because that's the noisiest one. Not so much the 6-inch in this one, yeah. Meant to fall off it then, was I? That looked a lot flatter than it was. It's just a lovely spot here. And if you're wondering where I am, I'm south of Goulburn. It's probably the easiest way to describe it. Yeah, these batteries are a tiny bit too small, and it is a little bit cold in the shade actually. I mean, for the straps I've got. They're too small for the straps I've got.
Telemetry recovered.
Never taken off from top of the camera. I suppose you could. Nothing to stop you doing it, is there? So I got bogged just there. Yeah, low signal quality. These gums are like so thick compared to it might help if I went up to 720. I think I'm flying at 540. I mean, I'm pretty damn sure I am. There's that track. It goes all the way down here. What's that? And look at these donuts. More shit put in there to get you out of it. Whoa. Stayed on at that time. The aerial. Called the aerial. Alright, I think I'm just going to do those two here, and I'll have the other two in a minute. Just to make sure I don't get a complaint from the neighbour. And yeah, rock on. Good fun. It's so nice to just open up the throttle and have the space. Love it. Oh, my back. I bloody hope this isn't focused, man. I just realised how cold I am now that I've walked back over here and stood in the sun. I'm like, oh my god, I was freezing. I need to put on more clothes. Look at these funny antennas. What's going on here? Yeah, so look, I've got these big Sentry things on. They kind of, but they got a 45-degree angle, and they're like 13 dBi or 12 dBi or some stupid thing like that. So let's see how far we can go over there. Not too far, it's just the 3-inch, but yeah. Don't want to like creep up on someone else's house. You're pretty out there. I'm all the way over there. This is just that 3-inch, the little gecko. Oh, there's a big old dam. Ugh, yummy water in there. And my link quality's flashing, so I'm coming back. So yeah, like, something worth considering. When you're in Australia, oh look, big cloud, big shadow coming in. When you're in Australia and there's big bodies of water like that, dam back over there, you don't really want to go like swimming in that. They have these amoeba here that can really fuck your shit up. Down again. They go into your head through your meninges, which is the barrier around your brain, and they go into your brain and they eat it. Which is just disgusting. Enough for that. Bring it in for landing. Nice. Where should I go? I'm gonna go that way. So yes, these antennae. These antennae are alright, you know. I wonder if how far I can get down that road. Back out to that dam. So far link, visual quality is at 8 and I've dropped down to 150 megahertz, but it's holding pretty steady as long as I keep this more or less pointed at the quad. I think that could be someone's house over there. I'm over there and there's another house back there. But this should all be club land up here. Okay, I'm not going to test this link too much. So far so good though. You can see that I'm getting a very, there you go, that's a bit better. Solid visuals. Flying a plane with this is going to be nice. And this isn't even, there's another house over there. Clubhouse is that one, dead ahead. Yeah, that's the clubhouse up ahead. That's where I got bogged. Well, that was a bit weird moving my arms and doing that at the same time. I hope I'm turning the right direction. Honestly, that was a dead guess. Burries round the stump until you hit it. Oh my god, you see that hole? Just here. Blow with the wheel. Does this track go around? Like if I go up here, can I get out up here? I think so. I might be able to. I have to ride up there and check. Just in case I can't get out. I mean, I can get out through this box. This is not really a worry. Like I can just frickin' that bog there. Like I've got to go along this road and back. And I can get out through there. That's not a problem. Because I got a winch and I will winch my way out. I'll also let some of the frickin' air out of my tires, which I didn't really do. Coming off the highway, so. Yeah. Ah. These things are massive. So yes, that was these antennas. They're not bad, eh? I think I'll be using these for long range. They're a bit of an ass to pack, but if you've got a right angle, you can stuff them somewhere. They're pretty good. They did actually break, both of them, the coaxial, cable grounding, the surround. It broke off the PCB, and I had to solder it back on, but it wasn't a bad, hard job, and I did it with more solder, so it's stronger. Anyway, there you go. I'm going to go and probably start lighting up the charcoals to cook up my steak for dinner. Rock on. I don't know if it's focused on me. I don't trust it. I was just having a funny thought. If you were to ask me what I'd most use the shovel here for, it's for digging a hole to do you know what. And digging a fire pit. Have I used it to get out of a hole? In terms of, in the car, if I've been bogged. No, I haven't, come to think of it. The tyres do the digging and the winch does the pulling. So, anyway, here's the setup down here. So I picked this up for 70 bucks. Thought, why not, eh? It's looks like it's good for a chooch. So got some firelighters, got some wood, got some bigger wood, got a tissue, don't worry about that. Got some charcoal, gonna start it up and yeah, cook my steak. Well, that's getting ready to cook the steak. I think I'm going to maybe go for a little long range flight this afternoon. Anyway, you may or may not see that in the video. Oh yeah, that's a knife. Alright, a little bit of smoke on my face. Almost there. Not a bad little burner. Does its job nicely. It's getting there. I think it's going to be too well done if I leave it any longer. So, grubs up. There we go. Now I'll show you a trick with one of these tin plates. You can cook yourself bacon and eggs on one of these, and you don't need a pan or anything like that. You just on one of these, you eat at one of these, you wash one of these, that's it. Beauty. If you want to see that, comment down below. And here's my piece of veg. Rightio, well, I'm going to enjoy my dinner, listen to a podcast, sit down by the fire. Got a bit of bread, steak, good stuff, beer in the fridge. I'll catch you tomorrow. So I took the 6-inch out. It's still not unlocked. I swear I followed the procedure. Anyway, enjoy the sunset. Who the fuck are my neighbours?
In Soviet Russia, bike drive you.
I'm still in my raincoat.